Hello, my name is Dennis Regis. This is my final project for Intro to Programming 1 at Loyola University. I just recorded my video for this, and it ended up at 14 minutes because I was in depth explaining all of the code. Uh, my apologies. This is going to be a way shorter video because I didn't realize I was going over the limit. But so I'm going to try to go as in depth as possible, but with that in mind. So basically, what my project is it's a GPA calculator, but it also graphs the progress of your GPA on a coordinate plane. Um, so the actual coordinate plane is full up of a bunch of variables that are the numbers for x and y. So like one to five. It's 5 semesters. I think that just looks the cleanest on a Um, and all the empty spaces are variables. So all the variables inside of it are empty spaces. And basically how it works is the user inputs uh, an x and a y value for each semester. For example, let's say just one semester the user puts in an x and a y value. So let's say they put in 1, 1. The program will check the x's relation to the numbers on the graph. So it and y. So let's say the x is 1, y is 1. Um, it will replace 1, 1 on the graph with a star or a circle. Um, and it goes for 5 semesters, but you could do less, 5 or less. And at the end, it shows you your cumulative GPA, it shows the graph, and a couple other things which I'll show you, which I thought were really cool. Uh, this is the code. It's composed of mostly if statements for the points. The function there's a function plot points, which takes the x and y values, but then there's that function is called inside of the semester grade function, which takes your semester and GPA and turns them into x and y values, and then takes those x and y values and puts them in the plot points function. And that semester grade function is called inside of the main function where the user is asked the values. So I'm gonna show you now the how it works. So I'm gonna click that, and then I'm gonna raise this. Okay, let's do a hypothetical. So let's say for my first semester, I got a 3.4, and let's say for my second semester, I got a 4.5. Let's say for my third semester, I got a 2.3. Ooh. Let's say for a fourth semester, I got a 1.9. Oh, I'm going down. Let's say for a fifth semester, I got a 1.2. Not very good. So here it is. So this is my GPA progress for 5 semesters. The first semester, I got a 3.4. So it does round up the numbers to put them on the graph. So 3.4 will show up as 3, but if it's a 3.8, it'll show up as a 4 because that's closer to a 4. And I just think that looks clean. So yeah, this is what it would loosely look like, my progress of my GPA. So it's a visual demonstration. There's my cumulative. That's what the cumulative would be from those numbers. It takes the amount of numbers of GPA values, uh, and then you divide the total by the amount of, an average. Okay, next example. Let's say you were steadily going up. So let's say for your first semester, you got a 2.1. Not terrible, but let's say for semester 2, you got a 2.5. Okay, you're going up. Let's say it's for semester three, you got a 3.4. Ooh, doing much better. Let's say for semester four, you got a 4.5. Wow, you're doing really good. Okay. Let's say for semester five, you got a 4.9. Oh my gosh. So it's gonna spit that out. It's gonna show you the graph, and it's gonna give you a little message that says you're getting a steady improvement because you are steadily going up. The same can be said if you are steadily going down. Say for the first semester, excuse me. Uh, let's say for the first semester, you got a 5.4. Let's say for the second semester, you got a 4.5. Then you got a 2.3. Then you got a 1.2. Then you got a 0.5. Steady decline, and will show you that you are steadily going down. Let's say you got a little dip. This is the last one. Let's say you dipped at one point, but then you started going back up. So let's say first semester you got a 4.5. Let's say for the second semester you got a 1.9. Let's say for the third semester you got a 2 point, or let's say lower than that. Let's say 1.4. But then let's say for semester 4 you got a 3.4, and on semester 5 you got a 5.0. See, it dips but it goes back up. You're getting a little bit better. So it gives you messages depending on your actual progress. And those are the three different messages that you can get. Um, yes, that is my final project. I'm really proud of it. It took a long time. I hope that you enjoyed it. I enjoyed making it, and I really enjoyed the class. So, yeah, thank you so much for watching.